think Gunda is the way to go.
Hey everyone, welcome back to the Room Podcast, sponsored by Marketing Gunda, where we unpack the real stories behind the marketing moves, business pivots, and the lessons no one puts in a textbook. I'm your host Ronak Gohel, and today's episode is a little different. It's not a client case study. It's not an expert interview. It's me sharing my own transition from organic marketing to running my very first meta ad campaign. Now, if you know me, you know I have built my career on organic growth, SEO, storytelling, email nurturing, podcasting, and everything that builds trust without spending a rupee on reach. But recently I hit a wall. I was consulting for a client who needed a paid ad strategy, Facebook, meta ad, conversion tracking, and the whole 9 yards. And I realized I could not keep saying I don't do paid, not anymore. So I decided to learn, not just theoretical. I wanted to run a real campaign, spend real money, and see what the data told me. But why I started? Let me be honest. I was intimidated. Meta Ad Manager looks like a cockpit. Pixels, events, audiences, placements. It's like overwhelming if you have never touched it. But I reminded myself, I already understand audiences. I already know how to write compelling copy. And I already track behavior through the funnels and analysis. So paid media is just a faster way to test what I already do organically. So I picked one of my best performing Instagram posts, something that has already resonated with my audience. A short reel about the storytelling in a marketing. I boosted it with 1000 rupees. That's it. No fancy funnel, no retargeting, just a clean test. And now I don't just run the ad and watch numbers. I tested, I tweaked, and I found 3 hacks that genuinely improved performance. So what is this hack? The hack number 1 is a dynamic creative optimization. Many people know it with its short form, which is a DCO. Instead of manually testing one image or headline at a time, I uploaded multiple versions, 3 headlines, 2 images, and 2 CTAs, and let Meta mix and match them. And do you know? Can you guess the result? My CTR jumped by 42% in 3 days. Meta figured out what combo worked best, faster than I ever could manually. Now let me talk about the hack number 2, which is retargeted website visitors with custom audiences. For this, I installed the Meta Pixel and created a custom audience of people who visited my site but didn't convert. And do you know what is the result I received? Retargeting ads had a 76% higher click-through rates than the cold traffic. It's like reminding warm leads why they clicked in the first place. Isn't it amazing? So let's hear about the hack number 3, and that was mobile first design. I redesigned my ads for mobile, vertical video, bold text, and fast pacing. And what was the result? Mobile first ad got 60% more clicks than the desktop optimized one. Why? Because the most users scroll on phones. If your ad is not built for that, you are losing ROI. So actually, this is a magic of organic plus paid. So here is the part that surprised me the most. My organic post with the high engagement made the best ad creatives. Why? Because they already had social proof. So now I test organically first, then boost the winners. It's like letting the audience vote before spend. This hybrid approach, organic validation followed by paid amplification, is now a part of my consulting playbook. So what I will tell other organic marketers? If you are an organic first marketer like me, here is my advice. The advice number 1. Don't wait until a client demands paid ad. Start learning now. Advice number 2. Use your organic content as your testing ground. You already know what works. Advice number 3. Learn the basics. Metapixel, ad manager, audience targeting. It's not rocket science. It is just a new dashboard. And advice number 4. And the most importantly, document everything. Your first campaign is your first case study. So what is next? I am not becoming a paid media agency. That's not my lane. But I am integrating paid strategy into my consulting. I am helping clients bridge organic and paid. I am designing funnel that start with the trust and scale with ads. And I am building a playbook for marketers who wants to make the same leap. If you want that playbook, DM me on my LinkedIn profile, or you can drop me a message at hi@marketing-gunda.com. I will send it over once it is ready. So thanks for listening to this episode. If you find it helpful, share it with your fellow marketeers who stuck in the organic bubble. And if you are running your first meta ad campaign, tag me. I would love to see what you are testing. And until next time, keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep showing up. So this is the Room Podcast, sponsored by Marketing Gunda, and I am Ronak Gohel. See you in the next episode.
I'm Ronak, the marketing superhero, saving businesses from boring strategies. That's my zero. I'm passionate, I'm driven, I'm here to help you grow. Marketing Gunda is the way to go. Marketing Gunda is the way to go.